We are stuck.
Welcome to Vlogmas Day 10. We have been stuck at this train track. So I took Jeff to work today because I need the car to do some errands. And so I got him from work and we are stuck at a train track. We've already been here for 5 minutes and there doesn't seem to be an end in sight.
Oh no.
And I'm trying to rush home because I'm trying to get there before the mailman gets there because there's a package that I have to sign for and I don't think I'm gonna make it now because they come anywhere from 4 to 5 and it is now 4:05 and we're about 10 minutes away from home.
Oh, it's getting to the end.
Is it? Hallelujah.
Yep.
Can I beat the mailman? Can I
There's
get there and get my package? I really want my package, so I'm hoping.
The last engine.
Whew. Okay. And for the rest of Vlogmas today, I think we're going to an ugly Christmas sweater competition. Okay, yay, hallelujah.
And guess what? Now we can go and hopefully make it for our package.
I'm hoping. That's why I'm just like, okay, here we go. Going home now.
Yeah.
So in case you were curious, I did beat the mail lady and I got my package. Jeff is just in the post office right now dropping off my Christmas letters to the people from the Christmas card exchange. Hey, Bimba. Just telling people that you were in there dropping the packages or the letters off. Yep. So this is what I got. I got my new Halo piece from Luxury Volume Toppers. I cannot wait to try this out. It is so nice, so soft. In case you aren't familiar, Luxury Volume Toppers is where I get my wig topper from, and then now this Halo piece, which I'm really excited. It's just gonna add like more volume and length to the hair, so I'm excited for that. We put it in the backpack bag because we're gonna go to Walmart now. Okay, so basically what I decided to do is we're each gonna make an ugly Christmas sweater, but for the other person. So I'm gonna make one for Jeff, he's gonna make one for me, and we're not gonna know what it's gonna look like till the very end. So we're gonna separate in the store. We'll probably go get the sweaters together, but then after that we're gonna separate. I'm actually really interested to see what he's gonna come up with. For now, let's head to Walmart.
Oh yeah.
Let's go.
Party time.
Boop, boop. Okay, so I'm going to get him this bright highlighter one because I'm gonna do it this little light of mine theme. So it's gonna be like Christmas lights because this little light of mine is one of his favorite songs or favorite Christmas songs. I'm not even sure if it's considered a Christmas song, but that is the theme I'm going for. So highlighter it is. With this kind of stuff, a large is usually better for the length for him because when he does a medium, it ends up looking like a crop top. So we're definitely gonna grab the large. This is gonna be so much fun. Peace out. I'm leaving you.
See you later.
I'll see you. Call me when you're done.
Okay.
Okay. Oh yeah, I'm gonna win. Jeff was probably gonna go to the Christmas decor, which I am gonna still check out too. But I wanted to come here to just the regular like t-shirt decorating section to see what I could find. Let's see. Color shot, fabric color, silver shimmer. Okay. Could do a silver shimmer for him right there. What else? We got puppy paint. I think I might do some puffy paint. I think I want it to say like this little light of mine. I'm gonna let it shine and I want like the shine to be in glitter. I think I might just do actually a fabric marker right here. I'm gonna do the fabric marker. Maybe just this little glitter one. I think silver. Yeah. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so good. Side note, I ended up finding this baby blue sweater for myself. It's in the regular department, but I want it as a crop, so I think it will work as a crop. Not even gonna try it on, to be honest. I'm wondering if I should get the package of fabric markers. No, I'm gonna stick with just black actually. And again, let me see. Decided to get just the neon fabric markers because I think this will be the easiest thing. I'm gonna write my little message and then I'm going to draw on Christmas lights, and then I can use all of these different colors as my bulbs. And then I still want the puppy paint though to add for the lyric of the song. And then I'm gonna see if I can maybe I glue these like around the neck of the shirt, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Oh yeah, baby. This is gonna be perfect. So I am going to need to go back and get a different color of the markers because I want them to match this sweet house found. Now I'm almost wondering if I want to go and get him a different color sweater altogether. I'm actually a little bit in a dilemma because I did go ahead and switch out the markers for the ones that are going to match the lights and the tie better, but now I'm just wondering if that's even going to show up if I get a blue or a red one. I'm not sure what to do. Go to this neon one, I'm pretty sure it would show up better. The whole plan, I guess, is to be tacky, right? And that definitely is tacky and bright. So maybe I'll still go with that.
We got some 18 LED mini bell garland lights with a little jingle for her ugly Christmas sweater. Then we got some ribbon. Yeah. Got some curls. And like I said, please Santa stop here. The bling accents. So check it out. It's gonna be fun on this lovely red sweater. Competition's on.
So we have our supplies and we have this barrier. I can't see what Jeff's doing over there. He can't see what I'm doing over here. And so we are going to make our ugly Christmas sweaters.
All right, here we go.
Let's do it. Oh, I got the glue over here.
Okay, well, I don't know.
Here, see it right there. You're not even gonna believe. Oh yeah, you got the scissors over by you?
Huh?
The scissors?
Yeah, I got scissors.
I'm gonna need them.
There's 2.
Thank you.
I put some tape. I got shipping tape too, just in case you need it.
Okay. It is not a game. We might be needing shipping tape.
I don't know if it's gonna work.
I'm sure it will. Think positive. Huh, Georgia?
Well,
Hi, my baby Gus.
Geez.
Hi, Georgie.
How's it work?
Hi, Georgie.
How's it gonna work?
Hi, Gussie. It's gonna work. Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah. Jeez.
What?
Didn't think it was gonna be this big.
You didn't think it was gonna be this big? What?
I'm not gonna use everything on it.
Oh, those blinking lights.
Really?
Yes, ma'am. Oh my gosh.
What?
This already had batteries in it. Oh my gosh, I don't know why I'm so nervous.
Maybe I'll use it all.
I hope this works out. I have it in my mind. You know what I mean? Like, I just wish it could come out exactly how I had it in my mind. I hope it does.
I hope, yeah, same here. I'm scared. Don't look at the camera.
I'm not. Here we go. We're gonna get busy. So we couldn't find fabric glue. So we had to improvise.
Improvising.
Gonna stay? Hopefully. I hope. I hope you don't go to put it on and just bloop, all pops off.
I mean, that's what mine might do. Oh, shnikes. Oh, whatever. I don't use that off my decorations. I can hang somewhere.
Just hang around the house.
Oh, blinking.
I hear jingling. I'm just doing my last finishing touch.
Okay, well, mine's gonna be finished here soon.
Okay. each have our sweaters hanging on the opposite side. We're going to show Jeff's first. I haven't seen it yet. So let's see it, babe. Let's turn.
Get ready for the bride neck sweater.
Please, Santa, stop here. This is cute. I like the lights. I actually really like these lights. These are cute. What was this for?
Well, originally I was going to try to make pockets, but then I kind of was bride neck and taped this on the back.
That worked.
I wanted to try to make pockets, and so then you can put the thing in the pocket, but it didn't really work.
Little snowflakes are cute too.
My second thought was getting gloves and putting gloves down here and putting the thing in the glove.
That would have been a good idea. That would have been a real good idea.
I just kind of second guessed myself, so.
But I still feel like this is cute. I like it a lot. Good job. Don't look yet. Okay, look.
That's awesome.
Do you read it?
This is the light of mine. Let it shine. Let it shine, let it shine, let it shine. Wow, that's pretty cool. That's creative.
Do you know why I did that?
Because this little light of mine.
It's one of your favorite songs.
Yeah.
And then the lights have 3 settings.
Tie?
Yes, and then you're supposed to wear the tie with it. Yep.
Yeah,
so then you're just like
settings.
a whole little light person.
That's funny.
And then yeah, this is the blinky blink, and then steady, and this is crazy blink. I like either blink or just steady.
That's awesome.
Now we have to vote. Should we just let the people vote?
I say let the people vote.
Okay, so hold on. Wait a little bit before we try to put them on because we want to make sure they're really dry before we try to put them on. But go ahead and you guys can vote that either Team Jeff, so you like Jeff's sweater better, or Team Justine, you like my sweater better. And we'll try them on in a minute.
Try.
Well, probably like an hour, but we'll be back. What?
Alright, I tried.
Yours turned out great.
I can't. Yes.
It's
Not
not.
compared to yours is more creative.
No, yours is cute too. I like it. Please, Santa, stop here. That's real cute.
I would put these instead.
That actually would have been cute, Jeff.
Well, I know, but the thing is, it wasn't staying.
Oh, but the other ones because they were skinnier or something?
Yeah,
or
and
they
this,
weighed less?
and this blinked too.
So here's our sweaters in all their glory. I think they turned out fine. The Santa and the here are wanting to fall off, but that's okay.
Yeah.
Everything on this one is seeming to stay pretty good. Right?
Oh yeah. Looks like it's holding up.
I kind of almost prefer not the tie.
Yeah.
Because then I feel like the tie kind of covers everything.
Yeah.
So let's take the tie off maybe. I think just let the sweater shine as it may.
Yeah.
But I think this is fun. Like, honestly, I think these are both really fun. And I like that they're just different and... What? Is it hanging on by a prayer?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Santa stop. Maybe we should say Santa stop.
Just Santa. Please Santa stop. Please Santa stop. Oh, thank you guys so much for watching Vlogmas Day 10 and us making ugly Christmas sweaters.
And I hope you picked mine.
I hope you pick mine.
But hers is better, so I picked hers over mine.
No, they're both good. They're both good in their own ways. I like them. Thank you guys for watching. And please vote on your favorite. And remember to just be you. Bye, guys.
Bye, everyone.